Established in 1959 as one of the first Indian Institute of Technology, the institute was created with the assistance of a consortium of 9 leading US research universities as part of the Kanpur Indo-American program. It quickly rose among the ranks of engineering universities and is currently one of the most prestigious and highest ranked engineering universities in India. The chemistry department is one of the most prestigious departments of the institute. It is now widely acknowledged in the country that chemistry teaching in this department has influenced the complexion of chemical education in many Indian institutions in a significant way.
It is a department with a lot of activities, large number of PhD students, large number of undergraduate teaching. That is the best part of our department.
I always wanted to pursue research from the best in the country, and I think doing PhD from IIT Kanpur is a dream come true for everybody, as the IIT Kanpur has got best of the faculties in the chemistry department, and it's, I think, rated as #1 in India.
For doing state-of-the-art chemical sciences research, we are very happy to say that yes, we are having those machines in our department.
Chemistry department has excellent laboratory facilities. Some of them are EPR instrument facility, microanalytical facility, high field NMR, Mossbeer spectrometer, nanosecond single photon counting fluorometer, spectrofluorometer, magnetic susceptibility measurement instrument, light scattering photometer, single crystal X-ray diffraction measurement. These instruments enable the department to compete at par with other countries in the fields of education and research.
Our department is extremely good in doing theoretical chemistry research. Graduation, after finishing their PhDs in general, so the students go abroad for postdoctoral training for about 2 to 3 years, and most of them, I would say, in current trend is about 50 to 60% of them, they are very keen to return back to India and hold either academic or R&D positions, and they have been doing very well. Most of our students are well placed in various IITs, ICERs, universities of reputation.
The department offers a general chemistry course in the first year for all BTech and 5-year integrated MSc students, and then an organic and a physical chemistry course under the basic science option. In addition, the department offers several minors for students with non-chemistry majors who need a substantial background in chemistry to complement their training.
It's one of the best institutes in India, and I want to pursue my PhD for my higher studies. The best way to be groomed, is to choose this institution, and
the unique feature of this department since its inception is that modern chemistry research and teaching started from this department.
Faculty has done everything. I mean, they have taught us, so it's only, yeah, definitely from the books and all, we have learned a lot.
The department takes into these budding chemists with extreme care so that they are attracted to it.
Especially if you look at the integrated students, they have 1 year of project work. I think they will work in a research lab and they get a feeling of how to do research, and they also have graduate seminars and department seminars where they get to know what are the state-of-the-art topics, and they have to love chemistry. I think once they love chemistry, this chemistry will start loving them, and that's fun.
The department has a postgraduate program leading to PhD degree. The PhD program includes an integrated sequence of coursework and research in various branches of chemistry.
We are doing very good in a sense that compared to other places, we have a lot of facilities and expertise.
Esteemed faculty members who, apart from their teaching, carry out research with consent from the Government of India form the backbone to this department. Recipients of various awards and recognitions, they still take out enough time to guide and motivate younger fellows, the substitute of which is improbable to think of.
Student and teachers relations and the research, I think is most of the groups in our department, we are doing very good, and I believe that still today, like our students, our faculties, they are better than any institute in the country. That's what I can say.
Many of our former students are now senior chemists in the country and elsewhere, training outstanding researchers in turn and providing leadership in industry and academia.
We had some great teachers at that time. We had, I was the last batch taught by M.B. George. I saw PTN retire from here, giving his flute concert. Then Ranganathan, the famous woodward man, he was here, and he was crazy, but he was amazing. I mean, I was a good artist, so as usual we are not all of the same kind, so I was okay, but organic chemistry was perhaps not the best thing. But the moment I could draw a woodward's picture and give it to him, I get a straight A. Okay.
I would say that the students spend a lot of time with their profs, and with constant discussion of their subject, clashes in idea are bound to occur. So we would respect it and take it positively, and a similar initiative by the profs would only improve the student-faculty relationship.
331 25/14. Okay, 331 is plus, 25/14 is plus. Therefore, this one is plus. Understand? Then 642. We stop here. Just 642.
I was at a time when a lot of things were changing. A lot of new people had come. Many of our stalwarts of today had just arrived. Like Naveen Mukherjee was new, he had just come in. V. Chandrasekharan, T.K. Chandrasekharan, all these TKC, all of them were new at that time.
Students should look forward and they should enjoy, love the subject, chemistry, serve it to the society in India. If you go abroad, do very well so that they will remember that here is a product of IIT Kanpur. So IIT Kanpur, the name, the flag should always be at the top.
I've learned a lot, right from washing the glassware to setting up difficult reactions and a lot many things.
Something which is considered amazing is only when everybody else could have done it, but since you did it and you talked about it in this particular way, others have bowled out.
Based on my life, I want to suggest one thing. Never go for numbers and outputs. Go for the excellence and fight hard. You will win one day.
The Chemical Society is an activity-based group involving all the members of the chemistry department.
Also, we are also arranging some small seminars of our general interest, and recently we have initiated one very important event which is called the Student Hosted Colloquium, and where the students are mainly taking part to invite the speakers and arranging all the seminars in that day.
The event allows for informal interaction between the student and the speaker and greatly encourages the student and motivates them in their own research. In addition, they also improve their organizational and interpersonal skills.
We can promote chemistry to at least to the campus community. So many people are campus, many youngsters are there. So let's them to understand the importance of chemistry in our everyday life. So if we arrange some sort of small hands-on experience and demonstration, so the campus community can feel some thrill by looking into whatever the chemistry is going on in this department.
This institute and this department is like a second home for me.
Even the students are unique. You know, today you are taking interview of the head of the Department of Chemistry. This is also coming up from the students community. So even the students community, they are also showing the path to other departments, how the students should be pro-academic to make a presentation or a projection of their departmental activities. I feel proud of our students and I wish them all the best.
IIT Kanpur rocks.